Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Vantage to the MT5 demo account. First, go to the official website of Vantage Markets and click on Open Demo Account. Then fill in your details and complete the registration process. After that, check your email inbox. You will receive your MT5 login ID, password, and the server name for your demo account. Next, download MetaTrader 5 on your PC, Android, or iPhone. Install the application and open it once the installation is complete. Now, if you are using a PC, open MT5 and click on File, then select Login to Trade Account. If you are using a mobile, tap on Manage Accounts, then tap the plus icon and choose Login to an existing account. After that, tap the server name exactly as provided in your email, for example, Vantage International Demo. Then, select the correct demo server from the list. Now, enter your login ID and password carefully and click Login. Finally, if you are on PC, click the bottom right corner of the platform and make sure you see green connection bars, which show that you are connected. On mobile, confirm that your balance is visible and the charts are updating, which means your demo account is successfully connected. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.